Is TapTap Send available in Ghana? If you're in Ghana and wondering whether you can use TapTap Send, the answer is yes. TapTap Send is available in Ghana. The app has been gaining traction as a convenient and affordable way to send and receive money, both locally and internationally. It's especially popular for its low fees and user-friendly interface, making it a great option for individuals and businesses alike. To get started, simply download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Create an account and link your bank account or card. TapTap Send supports transactions in local currency, and its service is designed to work seamlessly across Ghana. Whether you're sending money to family, friends, or business partners, the process is quick and hassle-free. That said, always ensure you have a stable internet connection and verify the recipient's details before completing a transfer. Additionally, check for any updates or announcements from TapTap Send regarding service availability in specific regions. In a nutshell, TapTap Send is accessible and functional in Ghana, offering a reliable solution for hassle-free money transfers. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.